We're often asked to provide a range of PPE items to organisations that are preparing an evacuation procedure. Now, the most popular items requested are the fire warden hard hat like this. For larger work sites, there's also an area warden and a chief warden hard hat as well. Now, these are pre-printed and there's no minimum order quantity. They're also made in Australia. Now, they're adjustable at the back, there's just one size for each. Another popular item is the fire warden vest like this. This has reflective tape for nighttime use. They're zip fronted and sizes are small up to 5XL. Another popular item is the megaphone. These have a siren fitted, so that's a backup device for your main evacuation alarm. Great for issuing instructions to a lot of people over a wide area of land. We're also often asked to provide the emergency assembly point sign as well. PPE items for evacuation procedures. Speak with the team for advice at your local Safety Equip branch.